Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning. Today I want to film a typical morning in my life as a fourth-year medical student. I realized that I've not filmed anything like this since I started 400 level. I've not really showed you guys my usual morning routine. So come along with me as I prepare for my morning classes.
You did not learn. You did not learn. You communicate. Okay. You know the meaning of supernatural? You know the meaning of supernatural? It is beyond
One eternity later.
to deliver the species. The Lord. You must be a person that He will just distribute you as a status distribution. Go and fish it. I will feed you fish the because send the spirit. Say, hey, I want you to have this, have that. I want you to have this. In Genesis 9, something should be blind. I would say God blessed them. There's a difference between the blessing and the blessing. He gave a blessing. Blessing. The big one is blessing is a blessing. Do you know the meaning of resignation? Jesus, in the case of the effect, it's you. And the supernatural, who wanted, you'll be taken by someone. Something to do with the Felix is beyond flesh. Those were powers of money kicked out of their business. It's not demons. Yes. They are trapped. As in deliverance actually when they have the spirit, it will also be God's God can deliver demons, no. It's attacks of people. Great players with attacks of people. We don't even teach about it. Now, okay, God will deliver people. People right now, the enemy is holding their money. But we say God will bless. These places will not let go what you are looking for. So the and let of God now let and talk to other people. You got born again.
A pioneering initiative of the Jesus National Solution at Trent South. TV streaming 20 freely on this user occasion. Simply download.
Why people fail to produce when which was given to this 1 and 2, it says what? Where you say, I think I can write to make her expect about favor today.
We hope you will be inspired.
not go and create disaster. The Lord, do all these things. God can create a disaster. God can cause trouble. So before we do deliverance in the ship, this man was starting a foundation. The place spoke. There are people about the case. Denounce what is. When they're operating from outside, they're going to be operating from mountains, trees, from water, from anywhere else where they are. Sometimes it speaks your voice. Everything you try, meditation, you command the birds of the air to
in other countries because we have got community, because the reason being
family. God can stay silent. Go for the prayer. I'm encouraged.
We have benzyl penicillin, phenoxy penicillin. They are subdivided into aminopenicillin. Thank you for listening to antibiotics to create this thing.